Welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos, we have discussed arithmetic progression questions asked in March 2019 and June 2019 Karnataka State Board exams. Now I am going to explain questions asked in June 2020 from arithmetic progression. In June 2020 exam, total 7 marks were covered from this chapter. Multiple choice question was for 1 mark. Second question was for 2 marks and third question was for 4 marks. Now we will solve these 3 questions one by one. First one is multiple choice question. In an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the given progression is, the options are A 0, B 1, C 2 and D 3. The correct option is C 2. We will see how to solve this question. The question is to find common difference. For that we need first term and second term. To find first term, we have to substitute n is equal to 1 in this expression. A1 is equals to 2 into 1, where n is 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. The first term is 3. Now we will calculate second term by substituting n is equals to 2 in this equation. A2 is equals to 2 into 2, where n is 2 plus 1. Next step, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. The second term is 5. Now we will find common difference. Common difference is equals to second term minus first term. The second term is 5 and first term is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, option C is the answer. Next question was for 2 marks. Find the sum of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus so on to 10 terms using the formula. The question is to find the sum of the 10 terms of this series. The formula is to find sum of the nth terms is Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. To calculate the sum, we need first term a, number of terms n and common difference d. Every series begins with a term and that term is called first term a. In this series, the first term is 5. So, the first term is equals to 5. To find the common difference d, subtract first term from second term. In this series, second term is 8, first term is 5. Second term minus first term is equals to 8 minus 5 is 3. The series has 10 terms, or we can say number of terms n is 10. Now substitute a is equal to 5, d is equals to 3 and n is equals to 10 in this formula. Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of 10 terms is written as S10 is equals to n is 10 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into a is 5 plus n is 10 minus 1 into 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5 into bracket 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 into 3. 10 plus 9 into 3 is 27. 10 plus 27 is 37. 5 into 37 is 185. Therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms of this series is 185. Now we will see how 2 marks are distributed in this question. Half marks for writing formula, half marks for substituting a, n and d values in the formula. Multiplying 5 into 37, you will get half marks. For the final answer, you will get half marks. If you want to know the sum is correct or not, calculate 10 terms of the given series. Now we have 3 terms. For finding next terms, add common difference to every preceding terms. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17, so on up to 10 terms. After adding all these 10 terms, we will get 185. So our answer is correct. This type of problems are there in first mains of exercise 1.3, page number 20 of maths textbook. Now coming to the 4 marks question. Two questions were given. Solve any one of these two. We will see first question. The first question of 4 marks says there are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55 and the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first two terms. Find the terms of the arithmetic progression. The question is to find the terms of the arithmetic progression. For that we need first term A and common difference D. We will see how to find A and D. This question has two conditions. First one is there are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55. Second condition is the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first two terms. Now we will solve one by one. First condition is there are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. Let the 5 terms of AP be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. We can write sum of the first terms as A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is equal to 55. For writing this step, you will get half marks. Add A plus A plus A plus A is 5A and 2D plus 3D plus 4D is 10D. For this step, half marks. Take 5 as a common, 5 into bracket A plus 2D. Now writing 5 this side, 55 divided by 5 is 11. A plus 2D is equals to 11 is the first equation. Now coming to the second condition. Fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first two terms. The fourth term is A4 is equals to 5 more than is 5 plus sum of their first two terms is written as A1 plus A2. Therefore, A4 is equals to 5 plus A1 plus A2. This equation can also be written as A4 is equals to A1 plus A2 plus 5. For this step, we will get half marks. Fourth term of AP, A4 is A plus 3D is equals to first term A1 is A plus second term A2 is A plus D plus 5. When you write D this side, plus D becomes minus D. 3D minus D is equals to A plus A. Writing A this side plus A becomes minus A plus 5. 3D minus D is 2D is equals to A minus A is 0. A plus 5. Take 5 this side plus 5 becomes minus 5 is equals to writing 2D this side plus 2D becomes minus 2D. Write this equation as A minus 2D is equals to minus 5. This is the second equation. For this equation, you will get half marks. Next step is to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 is A plus 2D is equals to 11 plus second equation is A minus 2D is equals to minus 5. A has plus sign, plus into plus is plus, so A plus A is 2A. 2D has a minus sign, plus into minus is minus, 2D minus 2D is 0. 5 has a minus sign, plus into minus is minus, 11 minus 5 is 6. 2A is equals to 6. Up to this step, you will get half marks. Write 2 this side, A is equals to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the first term A is 3. This step has half marks. Now, substitute A value in equation number 1. 3 plus 2D is 11. Writing 3 this side plus 3 becomes minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. D is equals to 8 divided by 2 is 4. D is equals to 4. Finding D value, we will get half marks. Now calculate 5 terms of AP. Substitute A and D values in these 5 terms. We get 5 terms 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19. Therefore, the 5 terms of the AP are 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19. Half marks for the final answer. Now come to the verification. First condition is there are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55. For this, add 5 terms of the AP, that is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19. We get the sum 55. So first condition is correct. Now second condition is the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. A4 is equals to A1 plus A2 plus 5. Substitute the values of our terms. A4 is 15 is equals to A1 is 3 plus A2 is 7 plus 5. 3 plus 7 plus 5 is 15. So second condition is also correct. Now move to the second question of 4 marks. The question is in an arithmetic progression, sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. The sum of the fourth and fifth terms is 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. The question is to find 10th term of the arithmetic progression, that is A10. To find 10th term, we must know the first term A and common difference D. Let us see how to find A and D. This question has 2 conditions. First one is in an arithmetic progression, sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. The other condition is the sum of the fourth and fifth terms is 5 times the second term. We will solve first condition. Sixth term is A6 is equals to 1 more than means 1 plus twice the third term is 2 into A3. We can also write this equation as A6 is equals to 2A3 plus 1. Half marks for writing this equation. We will solve next step using the formula to find first n term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n is 6 minus 1 into D is equals to 2 into bracket A plus n is 3 minus 1 into D plus 1. A plus 6 minus 1 is 5 into D is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into D plus 1. A plus 5D is equals to multiply 2 into A is 2A plus multiply 2 into 2D is 4D plus 1. A minus writing 2A this side plus 2A becomes minus 2A. 5D when you write 4D this side plus 4D becomes minus 4D. A minus 2A is minus A plus 5D minus 4D is 1D or D is equals to 1. This is the first equation. Up to this step, if you solve correctly, you will get half marks. Second condition is the sum of the fourth and fifth terms is 5 times the second term. The sum of the fourth and fifth terms can be written as fourth term is A4 plus fifth term is A5 is equals to 5 times the second term is 5 into A2. A4 plus A5 is equals to 5 into A2. Half marks for writing this equation. Again, we use formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n is 4 minus 1 into D plus A plus n is 5 minus 1 into D is equals to 5 into bracket A plus n is 2 minus 1 into D. A plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into D plus A plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into D is equals to 5 into bracket A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into D. Now multiply 5 into A is 5A plus 5 into D is 5D. Write 5D this side plus 5D becomes minus 5D. Write A and A this side becomes minus a and minus a. 3d plus 4d is 7d. Minus 5d is equals to 5a. Minus a is minus 2a. 7d minus 5d is 2d. 5a minus 2a is 3a. Write 3 this side. 2d divided by 3 is equals to a. Or we can write a is equals to 2d divided by 3. This is second equation. For solving this equation, you will get half mark. Substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. Minus a plus d is equals to 1. Minus a is 2d divided by 3 plus d is equals to 1. Here the LCM is 3. Minus 2d plus 3d divided by 3 is equals to 1. Minus 2d plus 3d is equals to 1 into write 3 here. Minus 2d plus 3d is 1d or d is equals to 1 into 3 is 3. D is equals to 3. Half marks for finding a value of d. To find first term a, substitute d is equals to 3 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is a is equals to 2d divided by 3. 2 into d is 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. A is equals to 2. Solving value of a, you will get half mark. After finding a and d values, we will find 10th term of an AP. The formula to find nth term of an AP is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A10 where n is 10 is equals to a is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d is 3. 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 3. 2 plus 9 into 3 is 27. 2 plus 27 is 29. Finally, we got 10th term of an AP is 29. Up to this step, we will get half mark. To verify this answer, calculate 10 terms of this AP. Adding common difference 3 to preceding term. First term A is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, so on. 10th term is 29. So answer is correct. In my next video, we will see the questions covered from arithmetic progression in September 2020. I hope this video will help you to prepare for your board exam. Thank you.